How to merge videos in InShot. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can merge videos in InShot. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch InShot application in your mobile device. After that, tap on video to start a new project. Then tap on new and select the video clips that you want to merge. After that, tap on the tick mark to confirm. Now you will land on the editing page. Here you will have all your exported video in your timeline. Now if you want to drag and rearrange the video clips in the timeline to set the desired order, here what you can do is simply tap on any one of the video from the timeline. Now with the help of your fingertip, you can drag them in any order that you want. If you want to keep the first video at the middle, you can do that as well. So all you have to do is drag the video with the help of your fingertip and then swap. Now you can go back. Once you're done with that, you can trim or edit the clips of your video. Tap on Ease Video. If you want to cut it or split it up, navigate to the menu bar or this toolbar at just top of it, and there is a split option. If you tap on it, the video will be splitted. And if you want to delete some of the portion, tap on the portion that you want to delete and then simply tap on delete at the toolbar on the top, and that's gonna delete your clip. Now if you want to add transition between the clip for smooth merging, tap on this transition right here and here. Now you can select different effects for transition. For example, if you choose one from here, and with the help of this slider you can select the timing, and as you can see the transition has been applied. So that's a way to add transition between the clips. Or if you want to add music, tap on the audio option right here. Now you can add different music to your video as well. If you want to use text, sticker or filters in order to enhance your video, you can also do that from the toolbar right here. And once you're done, simply tap on export at the top right and then choose a resolution and wait for the video to process or render, and then your video will be successfully merged and saved in your device. So that's the way to merge video in InShot, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.